So as you're going through this worksheet here, you want to just solve all of the problems. They're all Pythagorean theorem problems. It's a little mystery. You've got some clues that you will find as you answer the questions. So this first one here, you want to see, will it be a J or will it be a G? So the first name either starts with a J or a G. So the longest missing side. So figure out how long J is, figure out how long G is. The longer one, that's what his name starts with. The second one will tell you how tall the suspect is. The groundskeeper was 4 feet away, which is 48 inches, and pushed an 84-inch ladder onto the suspect. The very top of the ladder hit the guest on top of the head. So what that makes is a right triangle. Okay, so he's 4 feet away, which is 48 inches, and the ladder is 84 inches. It's falling down onto the guy's head. So you want to find how tall he is in feet. So you can find it in inches using the 48 and the 84. This is a right triangle, right? So use your Pythagorean theorem to find the height of this triangle, and then just divide it by 12 to get the feet. And number 3, the guess weight is the sum of the missing side lengths. So find the hypotenuse of a right triangle with the sides 13 and 17. So you're looking for the hypotenuse, right? So the hypotenuse is the C, and then the other two are A and B. So you got 13 squared plus 37 squared equals C squared. Then find the leg of a right triangle with hypotenuse of 62. So now that one's your C, and side of 27. So that's either A or B. So you're looking for B. You just don't have the pictures for these. Find the hypotenuse of a right triangle with the sides 60 and 80. Again, you're looking for the C. You don't know C. So using those 3 clues, you'll be able to find the weight. Just add them all together. That's what sum means. Okay, so number 4, you want to solve each of these problems down here. Okay, and use the code cracker to convert your answers into letters. Okay, then you'll have to unscramble to reveal the final clue. So the code cracker, got it down here. The code cracker looks like that. It's also attached to the Schoology page. So use your answer to convert it into a letter. So when you're asked a question like A, to find the length of a segment from 0,5 to 6,1. So from 0,5 to 6,1. So that length there, what you're going to do is drop a right triangle down and over. Okay, and now you're just doing Pythagorean theorem. So how tall is this triangle and how long is this triangle? And that'll be your A and your B, and you're looking for the hypotenuse, which is the C. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units tall, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units across. So we have 4 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. Solve that, and you've got the answer to A. Okay. So B is the same idea. You're just going from 1, 0 to 0, 2. So you might help to draw that on here. So 1, 0 to 0, 2. So up here, let me use a different color here so it shows up. So we have from those 2 points. So again, drop a right triangle and use Pythagorean theorem. Okay. And C says the length of P, so that's coming from this this picture up here. So there's P. Okay, so this is, I'm going to tell you that's definitely a right triangle. They didn't tell us, but they should have. So use your Pythagorean theorem. There's A, there's P is the B, and then 8 is the C, right, across from the right angle. Okay, Then D says what's the length of R, so there's R. Once you got P, you could use that to find R because we know that this one is 15. So whatever P is, if P was 5, it's not going to be, but if P was 5, you would just do 15 minus the P, which whatever it is, and then you have the R. Then once you've got the R, you can use R and the 4 to find the X. These last two are just asking you to find the leg of a triangle with a hypotenuse of 16 and a side of 12. So remember, the A and the B are the legs. So you're looking for A, C is going to be 16, and then the B is going to be 12. The length, the last one, the length of the hypotenuse of a triangle. So you're looking for the hypotenuse, so that's going to be the C. And the sides, those are going to be your legs, those are your A and B. So remember, the hypotenuse is C, and the legs are A and B. So just the most thing I'm most concerned about is the math of this. If you don't figure out the code, it's not a big deal. But once you get those answers, you can use those answers to get numbers or turn the numbers into letters here. And then it says you need to unscramble. You need to unscramble the letters to find the clue. So you're going to unscramble them. But there you go. Do the math. The rest is just for fun. So if you got questions, send them to me in an email. Take a picture of your work. Take a picture of the problem. Ask a question in the email. Let me know how I can help you.